Hey everybody, I'm here today to go over an easy driving lesson for forward bay parking. In this video, I'll be going over the basics of forward bay parking a car. Now, I've done other videos on forward parking where I've told you a little formula to use with regards to the number of parking spots. But in this one, I'm going to be showing you the art of estimation. I'm going to show you exactly how you can know exactly how to forward bay park a car easily, just knowing how to do it without counting parking spots, just knowing how to estimate the distance. All right, without further ado, let's get right into the video. You want to start off by using a relatively empty parking lot. Now, as you can see right here, there are a few cars over there, but for the most part, there are all empty parking spots over here. So you want to start off with a situation like this. Now, I will tell you, when you're starting, you can either start practicing towards the right or the left, but you want to keep the same situation. You want to do like a few attempts to the right and then a few attempts to the left. You don't want to go back and forth. Now, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go down the parking lot. You're going to stay to the opposite side of the side that you want to park on. So I want to park on the right. I'm going to stay to the left of this little alleyway over here, this little section over here. And then I'm going to turn to the right and we're going to try and park. Now, obviously, the first time you're probably not going to get it, but that's the key factor. Practice. So let's just go ahead. You're going to start by doing this. Stay towards the left. Okay? Stay towards the opposite side. And you're going to pick a parking spot, put your signal on, check your mirrors, check your blind spot, and then you're going to just turn the wheel just like this. And I'm going to do it bad on purpose, and then straighten out as you get into the parking spot, okay? Very simple. As you can see, there's the car in front of me. I am too far to the left in this parking spot. I am basically right on the left line of this parking spot. So what I did though is I practiced actually turning into the parking spot. I practiced forward bay parking. So I'm gonna go ahead and reverse to where I was before. We're gonna try it again. We're gonna try the exact same spot, okay? I'm reversing to where I was before, and I wanna try that same spot. And this is the key. We're just going to continually practice and practice and practice until you get it. So right then, what I realized is that I actually was too far ahead when I started to turn the wheel because I was too far forward compared to where I am right now. So I'm going to put it in drive again. Once again, I'm driving to the left. I'm going to do this slowly now. I'm spotting the parking spot. My signal's on. Check my mirrors. Check my blind spot. Now I'm going to turn the wheel all the way to the right and then straighten out. As you can see, and I did this on purpose, now I'm too far to the right. I'm too close. I turned the wheel too quickly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to find the perfect in-between of what I just did. I'm going to reverse. We're going to go back to where I was before. Okay? Just like that. And now I'm going to try it again. And this is the key here. You want to learn to estimate when to turn the wheel. Because one thing that is true, if you practice and practice and practice over and over again, you're going to get better and better at finding that perfect spot for parking the car. Let's just reverse a little bit more. And now we're going to go ahead. We're going to try and park once again behind that car. So I'm going to be driving on the left side. Right signal goes on. I'm checking my mirrors, checking my blind spots. Now I'm going to do it a little bit slower. So watch this. Turn the wheel. More and more and more. And then now, the key factor that I've learned, in theory, having done those two practice runs, is that I can straighten out the wheel a little bit earlier. Like right now, as you can see, if I straighten out the wheel now, it's going to bring me into the spot. So I'm straightening it out a little bit more, and then I'm in the spot. Just like that. As you can see, I'm directly parked behind this car. I'm in the parking spot. And that happens with practice. So you're going to keep practicing to the right, just like I did right there. And then until you get it, and then you're going to practice to the left. So we're going to do a few to the left right now. Now, the key factor, I will tell you, for forward bay parking, the key factor is you want to start off on the opposite side of the sort of lane that you're working with. So let's just go over some instructions. You're driving, you want to start off on the opposite side. So I'm parking to the left, I'm going to start off to the right, okay? Then I'm going to turn my wheel towards the parking spot, and you want to turn it while you're driving. You don't want to turn it at a standstill. You want to turn it while you're moving. That's the key of estimation. You don't want to be stopped and then turn the wheel and then go. That's one method, but I'm teaching you to do it as you're moving along, right? So you want to turn the wheel towards a parking spot, and then you want to straighten out the wheel as necessary. Sometimes it might be when you're completely in the parking spot. Other times it might be a little bit earlier. And that's the key of estimation. So check this out. We're going to drive forward. I'm going to park in a parking spot just past that car there. Sorry, just past that car right over there, that silver car. Now, like I said, you want to do this in an empty parking lot and you want to progress to doing it with cars. So I started off with the empty spots over there. Then as you get better, you can make your way to like maybe, going beside one car. Instead of in between two cars, I'm going to go beside one car. So I'm starting off on the right side of this little lane over here. Left signal goes on. I'm checking my mirrors, checking my blind spot. And I know that I have to turn the wheel right about now as I'm moving all the way, as you see, and now I'm straightening it out as necessary. Just like that. Check that out. I'm in the spot, perfectly basically in the spot. I have one car to the left of me. I'm finding it difficult to move my camera right now. One car to the left of me, and there are no cars to the right of me. It's an empty spot beside me. So that's, as you progress, that's what you do. And that's the key factor to forward bay parking and estimating, using the estimation method. Because, like I said, I've done videos where I've gone over different formulas almost where, you stop a certain number of spaces before the space, you turn the wheel all the way to the left or to the right, and then you go in. And that's a great method to learn with. If you're learning how to forward bay park, that's a great method, but you want to progress to the point where you just know when to turn the wheel, where it's your driving skill instead of a driving formula that's guiding you into the spot. And that's basically it. Once again, the key factors: start driving on the opposite side of the spot that you want to park in. When you get close, turn the wheel all the way towards the spot, make your way into the spot, and straighten the wheel out as necessary. Those are the simple forward bay parking instructions. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you like my energy, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.